How to accept invitations on TEMU on your computer. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily accept invitation on the TEMU web browser. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So if someone has sent you any kind of invitation link, you can find it on your inbox or your notification. But in order to do that, here is the official help link from TEMU's. Here it is a blog, and as per this blog, as you can see, in order to accept an invitation link, you will just have to click on the link and then you will be redirected to the TEMU app if you have already downloaded on your device. But if you have not, you cannot be redirected to the app. So in that case, what you can do is it will take you to your App Store or Google Play Store. And if you have not downloaded the app yet, you just have to download the app from Play Store or App Store, and both of the sender and the receiver will receive the reward automatically. So on your computer, it is not possible, but in some cases, you can even find the notification on your computer. And once the reward has been claimed, you can view the reward from your computer as well. So that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.